Science, Environment, Society, and Sports. Question 76. Co-founded by Karachi-born software engineer Sualeh Asif, which prominent AI startup neared a major valuation deal with SpaceX in early 2026? Answer: Cursor, Anysphere. Explanation: Cursor, Anysphere, co-founded by Karachi-born Sualeh Asif, neared a major deal with SpaceX in early 2026. This highlights the growing global impact of Pakistani tech talent. Question 77. On March 30th, 2026, the Pakistan Cricket Board, PCB, handed down a heavy 20 million rupees fine to which prominent national fast bowler? Answer: Naseem Shah. Explanation: the PCB fined Naseem Shah 20 million rupees on March 30th, 2026 for contract violations. The penalty was issued over controversial social media posts. Question 78. According to long-term global climate risk indexes, Pakistan ranks consistently within which tier of vulnerable nations? Answer: top 10 most vulnerable countries globally. Explanation: Pakistan ranks among the top 10 most climate-vulnerable countries globally. Rapid glacier melting and erratic monsoons pose serious risks to food security. Question 79. Approximately how many out-of-school children does Pakistan currently have, representing a major social sector challenge? Answer: around 22 million. Explanation: Pakistan has approximately 22 million out-of-school children. The government has launched digital literacy and stipend programs to address this crisis. Question 80. Historically, what approximate percentage of its total national GDP does Pakistan spend on education? Answer: less than 2% of GDP. Explanation: Pakistan has historically spent less than 2% of GDP on education. Experts recommend raising it to at least 4% for better human resource development. Question 81. What approximate percentage of Pakistan's total population is comprised of youth under the age of 30? Answer: 64%. Explanation: around 64% of Pakistan's population is under 30 years of age. This youth bulge offers a demographic dividend if properly skilled and employed. Question 82. Which international day was observed across Pakistan on January 24th, 2026, with a focus on expanding rural digital learning tools? Answer: International Day of Education. Explanation: International Day of Education was observed on January 24th, 2026. Events emphasize digital inclusion and climate-resilient school infrastructure. Question 83. A high-level heritage management workshop backed by UNESCO was organized in late January 2026, in which historic Pakistani city? Answer: Peshawar. Explanation: a UNESCO-backed heritage workshop was held in Peshawar in late January 2026. It focused on preserving ancient Gandhara archaeological sites. Question 84. Which national holiday was celebrated on March 23, 2026, featuring the traditional Joint Armed Forces military parade in Islamabad? Answer: Pakistan Day. Explanation: Pakistan Day was celebrated on March 23, 2026, with a grand military parade in Islamabad. The day commemorates the 1940 Lahore Resolution. Question 85. Which global environmental campaign was marked across Pakistan in late March 2026 by turning off non-essential lights for 1 hour? Answer: Earth Hour. Explanation: Earth Hour was observed in late March 2026 across Pakistan. Major landmarks including Parliament House switched off lights to raise awareness. Question 86. What is the total current population of Pakistan according to the finalized results of the 7th official digital census? Answer: 241.4 million. Explanation: the 7th digital census recorded Pakistan's population at 241.4 million. The high growth rate continues to strain water, health, and energy resources. Question 87. Which Pakistani athlete made history by winning an individual gold medal in the men's javelin throw at the Paris Olympics? Answer: Arshad Nadeem. Explanation: Arshad Nadeem won Pakistan's first individual Olympic gold in javelin at the Paris Olympics. His achievements sparked nationwide celebrations and youth sports inspiration. Question 88. What is the name of Pakistan's premier domestic T20 cricket tournament, which held its 11th season in early 2026? Answer: Pakistan Super League, PSL. Explanation: the Pakistan Super League, PSL, held its 11th season in early 2026. It remains the country's biggest sports brand and revenue generator for the PCB. Question 89. Who is the current captain of the Pakistan men's national cricket team in the white ball, ODI and T20I formats? Answer: Mohammad Rizwan. Explanation: Mohammad Rizwan was appointed white ball captain of the Pakistan cricket team. He is focused on grooming young talent for upcoming ICC events. Question 90. Pakistan houses the world's second highest mountain peak, which attracts global mountaineers every summer. What is its name? Answer: K2, Mount Godwin Austen. Explanation: K2, the world's second highest peak at 8,611 meters, is located in Pakistan. The Gilgit-Baltistan government has improved rescue protocols for climbers. Question 91. Which province launched the specialized Kisan Card initiative to provide targeted direct subsidies to farmers? Answer: Punjab. Explanation: Punjab launched the Kisan Card initiative for direct farmer subsidies. The digital card provides access to fertilizers, seeds, and solar equipment. Question 92. What is the name of the specialized provincial law enforcement wing responsible for counterterrorism operations in Pakistan? Answer: Counterterrorism Department, CTD. Explanation: the Counterterrorism Department, CTD, operates at the provincial level. It has been highly active in dismantling militant networks in KP and Balochistan. Question 93. Which ancient Indus Valley civilization site located in Sindh is facing severe threats from weathering and environmental degradation? Answer: Mohenjo-Daro. Explanation: Mohenjo-Daro in Sindh faces severe threats from salt weathering and erosion. UNESCO and local authorities are working on chemical preservation measures. Question 94. Pakistan's national squash arena is undergoing a revival strategy targeting what specific goal? Answer: regaining top-tier international rankings and hosting world squash events. Explanation: Pakistan is reviving its squash program to regain global dominance. New academies aim to produce talent like past legends Jahangir and Jansher Khan. Question 95. Which major environmental hazard severely grips Lahore and surrounding districts every winter season? Answer: toxic smog. Explanation: toxic smog severely affects Lahore every winter due to crop burning and emissions. Green lockdowns and school schedule changes have been implemented. Question 96. What is the official name of the National Health Insurance Program providing free indoor medical care to low-income families? Answer: Sehat Sahulat Program, Sehat Card. Explanation: the Sehat Sahulat Program provides free indoor treatment via Sehat Card. It has been expanded across provinces for low-income families. Question 97. Which mountain pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan and serves as a primary hub for bilateral trade and transit? Answer: Khyber Pass, Torkham border. Explanation: the Khyber Pass at Torkham serves as a major trade and transit route with Afghanistan. Biometric controls have been strengthened for security. Question 98. What is the primary objective of the National Living Indus Initiative approved by the Parliament? Answer: restoring the ecological health of the Indus River Basin. Explanation: the Living Indus Initiative was approved to restore the Indus River ecosystem. It includes pollution control, delta restoration, and plastic waste management projects. Question 99. Which famous salt mine located in Punjab stands as the world's second largest operational salt mine? Answer: Kira Salt Mine. Explanation: Kira Salt Mine in Punjab is the world's second largest salt mine. The government is seeking a global geographical indication tag for its pink Himalayan salt. Question 100. Who is appointed as the head coach of the Pakistan men's national white ball cricket team for its structural rebuild? Answer: Gary Kirsten. Explanation: Gary Kirsten was appointed head coach of Pakistan's white ball team in 2025. The World Cup winning coach is leading a structural rebuild focusing on fitness and tactics.